In this video, I am going to show you how to get Lidl Plus card. So the Lidl Plus card is a free digital loyalty card available through the Lidl Plus app. All you need to do, just go and download the Lidl Plus application from Google Play Store or Apple App Store. Once the installation is completed, open the application. Then you will have to create an account. Click on sign up to create an account, and then you will have to enter requested details such as your name, email, and other informations. If you have a Google account, you'll be able to use that as well to create an account or even log in into your account. Then accept the terms and conditions. Lidl may ask you to verify your account. Depending on your region, you'll receive either a verification email or a verification code by SMS. Complete the verification before continuing. Then, once you do so, they will ask you if you want to enable like emails, notifications, push notifications, SMS notifications, enable whatever you want and disable whatever you want. After that, you will have access to that Lidl Plus card. After your account is ready and created, you'll have to open the app, tap on Lidl Plus card on the card icon, and your digital membership card will appear as a QR code that is ready to scan at the checkout. Now, as an example, when shopping at Lidl, just go and open your digital card on your phone, scan the QR code without or before paying, and any eligible discount, activated coupons, or rewards will be applied automatically to your groceries or whatever you're buying from Lidl. So you can also view your digital receipts inside the app after eligible purchases. If you can't find, as example, your Lidl Plus card, make sure that you've completed the registration of your account once your account is activated. And if you can't find the application on App Store or Play Store, probably it's not available in your region. And if you are or if you want a physical card, in most regions, Lidl Plus card is designed as a digital loyalty card. There is no physical card. So that's basically how you get a Lidl Plus card. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching and goodbye.